What's going on, champions? Welcome back to the channel. I am very excited to share with you the zero down payment, zero closing cost mortgage. Yes, you heard me right. Zero down payment, zero closing cost mortgage. This may sound too good to be true, but hey, you gotta watch till the very end of this video. And if this is your first time purchasing a home, or maybe you are shopping for your first home as a first time home buyer, you gotta pay close attention to this video and watch till the very end, because the devil is in the details. So you're going to watch as I unpack the key things you really need to know to qualify for this, and who is offering this, and the specific amounts that you are going to qualify for. But before we dive in, if this is your first time stopping by this channel, welcome. Consider subscribing now to join this amazing community to stay informed on the financial tips for your financial wellness and success. So let's jump right into it. Bank of America just introduced a new package, a new solution that's aimed at providing people with down payment assistance. So basically grants to purchase a home. And we're talking about up to $10,000 toward your down payment, or 3% of the purchase price, whichever is less, right? That's the first thing you got to understand with this product. Now, and this also provides you with up to $7,500 in eligible closing costs. This program is aimed, according to Bank of America, this program is aimed at basically expanding home ownership opportunities within the Black/African American and Hispanic Latino communities. So this program is very targeted. The zero down payment, zero closing cost program is hopefully intended to advance efforts to broaden access to home ownership to certain communities. So this is something that many people have not heard about, and I'm here to share with you the details. So let's jump right into what this entails, right? We're talking about qualified home buyers can receive a lender credit for non-recurring closing costs through our America's Home Grant Program. And this is according to Bank of America's website. So you get up to $7,500 toward your closing costs. So when they talk about the non-recurring closing costs, they're talking about things that do not involve your property taxes or your insurance. So things like your title, insurance, and other discount points, or whatever other closing costs that do not reoccur every month. So that's something that you're going to get in this $7,500 package. Now, when it comes to the down payment assistance, $10,000 in down payment assistance, or 3% of the purchase price. So let's just say, for instance, you're purchasing a property that's worth $300,000. That's the purchase price, right? $300,000. What this means is that for you to go conventional on this loan or on this property purchase, you're going to need around 3% down, right? And Bank of America is going to provide you that 3%. 3% of $300,000 is $9,000. So that means you're going to have $0 out of pocket. And closing costs is usually anywhere from 1 to 3%, depending. So you're pretty much covered with the down payment and the closing costs. So $9,000 for the $300,000 purchase, and up to $7,500 in closing costs. So there you go. But there is a catch here. You got to understand that this comes with certain specifications, right? And one of the key things that you have to do to be qualified for this is you have to go through the home buyer education. So this is basically a 5 steps to buying a home program, that just an educational series that the Bank of America has put together to help inform home buyers and educate home buyers on what to expect with the home buying process. So this is also some value add to you, irrespective of this being part of the loan process or the qualification process for the grants. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So now let's talk about some of the key things that you have to know with this, the fine prints. There's always a catch, right? Okay, the very first thing I want to read out here from Bank of America's website is when it talks about the down payment assistance, right? It does say that this down payment assistance goes to qualified borrowers who must meet eligibility, such as being owner occupants. So you have to owner occupy this property. You can't buy this property and rent it out If that's your intention, you are disqualified. And you must be purchasing a home within a certain geographical area. So Bank of America has specified certain cities and certain zip codes and certain areas where they want to where they want you to purchase in. And this is aimed at, again, closing the gap or expanding home ownership, whichever way you look at it. And also, you have to have, there is a maximum income. So you have to have remain within the income limits, right? So there is a maximum income and loan amount limits that apply in order for you to qualify. And the minimum combined loan to value for this program is 80% loan to value. That means that, you cannot take out a loan that's basically less than 80% of the value of the property. So in this case, if the property is $300,000, the minimum loan that you can take out on this property is $240,000. That's 80% of $300,000. So with that said, this program provides you with 97% loan to value. So 3% down payment and 97 is the loan that the bank will fund. So again, this is something that is very critical. And if you have any questions, like I said, leave the question in the comment section below. So right now, the other thing you have to know about this is that there is an additional information about the America's Home Grant Program. And this is a lender credit, right? So the program funds can only be applied towards non-recurring closing costs like insurance, recording fees, and in certain situations, discount points. These discount points can be used to pay down the interest rate or to buy down the interest rates on your mortgage. So if you're looking to have a lower payment or to lower your interest rates, you can purchase discount points, and the closing cost grants or the closing cost money will help you purchase discount points. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So $10,000 up to $10,000 in down payment and up to $7,500 in closing costs. What are your thoughts about this program? Let us know in the comment section below. Now, like I said before, this program, according to the reports, is to expand home ownership in certain communities and among certain demographics who have been left out of the wealth building through real estate. Remember, real estate is one of the major ways, if not the only way, or one of the common ways that most middle class and the average American can basically build wealth in America, right? Name one billionaire you know who doesn't own real estate, or name one multi-millionaire you know who does not own real estate. A lot of millionaires have been made through real estate. It's a given. There's statistics and there's the data there to prove it. So the goal here, according to Bank of America, is to expand home ownership, to increase home ownership efforts, and also to be inclusive or to include some communities in the home ownership program. So let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. And also, if you are looking for more information to help you with your financial wellness or financial success, there are more videos on this channel for you to browse through. Helpful videos. Do yourself a service and make sure you subscribe now and give this video a thumbs up to help other people find this information quicker. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next one.